Hi, I'm Dory Deacon-Millis from Red Dot Gallery. We're going to learn how to draw a six-pack on a body.
All right, to do a six-pack, I'm going to start with the chest up above the torso here. I'm going to come down the outline here. This will be the start of his hips. Mostly the way to show muscles underneath the skin is to delineate with shadow. But I'm first going to start out with just some guidelines to show me where I'm starting, where in general they're going to be placed. If I go ahead and start drawing out all the shadows in one little area and keep going, I may find that I have lost track or gotten out of proportion, and then I have to go and erase heavy dark lines rather than being able to erase it while it's really light. So after I know when it's really light that I've gotten it blocked in properly, then I can go ahead and start putting my shadows. I still start putting in shadows lightly. I do not start with heavy shadows because, again, if I need to change something, I don't want to have to be able to erase something heavy. Indeed, I might not be able to erase it if it's too heavy. So I'm going around the little roundish shapes that I made to represent the abs. Some six-packs are more defined than other ones, but this one I'm trying to make pretty well defined so you can see mostly how to make these shadows. Now, after I do this, I can see, okay, I want more shadows in certain places to make it even more three-dimensional, as when I'm drawing anything. And I can sort of feather with lighter shadows, feather between darker and lighter shadows so that I get a smooth transition between shadows. And I can keep taking this till it's very well defined, or I can leave it a little lighter. I'm just going to leave it at that. That is how you draw abs on a body.